Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the skeleton key inside of Oblivion Remastered. And the skeleton key is an unbreakable lockpick that gives you a huge boost to your lockpicking skill, which will make it so that it's the last lockpick that you ever need. And all you have to do is complete a brief quest chain. So the first thing we need to do is head down to Leyawiin. You can just head over to like the northeast gate and then run up this road here till you reach the Nocturnal Shrine. Once you get to the Nocturnal Shrine, we're going to talk to this fella here, Mogra Gamorn. And she's going to tell us about the shrine. Alright, so after you speak to Nocturnal, the god, through her statue, they're going to want you to go back to Leyawiin and ask around until you find out the home address of the two Argonians that stole the eye. They live on like the western half of the city. But all you really need to know is that they hid the eye in Tidewater Cave. So we're just going to teleport directly to Tidewater Cave and skip all that. If you want to complete the quest appropriately, what you have to do is you have to go into town, find out where the two Argonians live, and then sneak into their house under the cover of darkness, and then overhear them talking about where they hid the eye. They won't actually give you any information if you talk to them directly. And they'll tell you that they hid it here in Tidewater Cave. Once you get inside, you're going to have to fight a couple of things, so be prepared for that. There's like what is this? A cougar, a mountain lion, and there's also a troll down here. Go ahead and blast them both. Alright, so once you've killed the critters just in front of this door that want to kill you, you'll want to open up your map, and what you're looking to do is you're looking to make a big left turn here, another short left turn down a longer hallway, and then submerged over here, and kind of just off to your right is going to be the eye literally floating in the water. You might also encounter a bear in here, which is this little bad boy here. Just, you know, kill him, he's not too bad. Once you are submerged in the water, you should see the eye just over here. It's literally right there. And then there's also a chest down here that's got a bow of harm, damage health on strike, and a summon skeleton champion scroll. So some extra goodies for you. And then that's it. You can leave the cave, and then we'll head back to the shrine and turn in our lovely device. Alright, so from here, we can just walk back up to the statue. And now we are rewarded with the skeleton key upon completion of that quest. So once you turn in that quest and Nocturne gives you your reward, you will have the skeleton key in your inventory. It's down under the S section. Right here, the skeleton key. And it looks like a really fancy, sort of like almost Assassin's Creed multi-tool that like Da Vinci created that won't break. So there you have it. I thought it also boosted your lockpicking skill, but I guess I was wrong. Or maybe that was the magical component that you also could have as a part of it. So that's how you get the free skeleton key, so you never have to worry about breaking lockpicks again inside of Oblivion. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.